Uh-oh. Guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? Mom. Guess what day it is?
I'm waiting.
Uh-oh. Today is dead. What is today?
I'm excited. Yay.
Uh-oh. Guess what day it is? Arjas. Guess what day it is?
I'm already chatting.
Awesome. Uh-oh. Here we go. Josh. Jenna. Guess what day it is?
It's Friday Night Live.
Woo woo!
So far away, where boys can fly and days gone by seem like only yesterday. A puppet can become a real life boy. Animals so real, they talk and sing. There's one man's dream was to bring to life the best of everything. One man's dream that when you wish upon a star as dreamers often do, a colored rainbow filled with love comes shining through, and happiness is waiting here for you. One man's dream.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye!